All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, I did inform you that we were starting our project from scratch, and we did lay our first brick. So I got up early to make sure that we got right back to it so we can make up for lost time. So you can see here we have our first wall. Let's take a look at it from the top perspective, so you can see exactly how far we did get. As you can see here, we did get pretty far. We still have our 24 by 24 wall. We have six of them already. So this is six of our 24 by 24 bricks. So that's about what's 24 times six is I think 144. So this is 144 bricks we laid this morning. And this is only six of them. So we still have 24 more layers to go. And we're gonna be doing that, and then we're gonna re-add our pillars to our arena, and then we're gonna go from there. Like I said, we did have a little hiccup. We had to erase our original project. That's why I'm gonna work on it today, all day. I'm not gonna do any artificial intelligence with the learning agents. I'm just gonna strictly focus on rebuilding our arena so we can move on. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.